How to iron on patches to clothes. Hello peeps, welcome back to another interesting video by Cre8iveSkill. Ordering your custom embroidered patch design from us is fun, we know, but when it comes to pasting the iron-on patches to the outfits, then it could be a task. Here is a step-by-step guide that will help you. But before that, subscribe to our channel for more such hacks. Step 1. Preheat the area where the patch will be applied. The iron-on temperature should be 270 degrees Fahrenheit. Assure that the fabric can withhold the temperature. Step 2. Place the patch over the fabric and press for 30 seconds using a household iron or 12 seconds using a heat press. Step 3. Do not move the iron back and forth. Step 4. Check whether the patch is attached to the fabric. Ordering your custom embroidered form Cre8iveSkill will be one of the best decisions that you can make. We have 25 years of experience in the industry. We can deliver intricate, detailed, vibrant, and aesthetically pleasing customized patches at affordable prices. Contact us from the information in the description box below to know more about patches and to place your orders.